I just found this red leaves and I'm gonna take it home and then dry it. And then another stone. I don't know if you can see it, but it has crystal. So I hope that, yeah, it'll look good. I mean, as a decoration piece. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. This video will be all about the nature. So I'm just gonna maybe a cinematic shot, maybe. So hope that you'll enjoy. Bye. Naitan din in the video makita sa sayas no. Yan na 여기 심이야 똑똑히 말하노. That is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Yep, see you in the next video. Bye bye. I thought of doing that thing, but then just leave it. Bye.
So our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, so our friendship ceases from now on.
Crazy. Yeah, repeat that. Huh? Jump, 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 jump.